Bagong simula. Sa bawat pahina ng librong mabubuksan dito, sa bawat batang matututong bumasa, ang Manila City Library ay hindi lamang tahanan ng mga libro. Ito ay tahanan ng pangarap, talino, at pagkakaisa. Mabuhay ang Manila City Library! Mabuhay ang Luzon ng Manila!
Thank you so much sa ating officer in charge ng Manila City Library. Muli palakpakan po natin, Direktora Maylene C. Villanueva. Siyempre kasama dito natin from UAP, Mr. Jerry Valendes. At bilang pagpapatuloy, ibibigay ko naman po sa inyo para po sa kanyang mga mensahe from the National Library of the Philippines, Public Library Division Chief Ms. Blesita Velasco.
Mayor Francisco Magoso, Manila City Government officials, Ms. Maylene Villanueva, library staff, guests, ladies and gentlemen, isang mapayapang araw sa inyong lahat. Before anything else, happy 79th anniversary Manila City Library. And happy belated birthday. Ang ganda ng regalo ni Mayor sa inyo, no? Imbis na tayo yung pagregalo kay Mayor, si Mayor yung nagregalo sa atin ng new building ng Manila City Library. Palapakan mo natin si ang pambansang aklatan ng Pilipinas sa pamumuno ni Director Antiano ay nagpaabot ng taus-pusong pagbati sa pagbukas ng bagong gusali ng Manila City Library. Ang makabuluhang tagumpay na ito ay
pagkakataon po ito ay ibibigay ko naman po sa inyo ang ama ng ating minamahal na lungsod. Palakpakan po natin kagalang-galang Francisco Isko Moreno Gormagos.
Sa ating bisita from the national government, National Library, Ms. Priscilla Blasco. Sa ating iba pong bisita ng mga legado ng eskwelahan, at sa ating direktor ng Manila Library, Maylene Villanueva, to United Architect of the Philippines, mainit pa. Baka naman. Very grateful to UAP. Thank you for doing such good thing for our library. Rest assured, you take care of it. I know you're going to do more for this facility. So, we welcome you. At pagka ulan, magpapasa kayo para dumami pa kayo. Sa ating mga empleyado, barangay officials, Juan, saan ba si Kapit? This is just one of many things that will happen in Manila. And facility, delivery service, under our watch, there will be growth. And efforts will be recognized whether from the private sector, from the national government, or in our own little way as local government. So, maraming salamat sa ating mga kabayan tumutulong sa atin. At rest assured that despite great challenges fiscally ng city, may rounds natin, may tatawid natin. Mayawa Diyos, nakatawid tayo. As you can see, about a few minutes ago, I was with the international group of organization and individual helping us, sharing our idea to the world and their best practices sa atin when tuberculosis in the city of Manila. So maraming tumutulong, maraming kumikilos. Si Maylene, laging mabilis kumilos. And dalawa, isa sa dalawang bagong itinatayo na public library is located in Santa Cruz. So, at least sa Sacramento. So these are the days that we continue to invest. At ang silid aklatan o library ay hindi na lang ng bata. Shout out sa mga lola ko. Oo, eh kung wala na ginagawa, nasa candy lang kayo. Ay baka mamaya, habang ay nasa pamilya, may tulong Diyos na ay dito sila kayo, aliwalas. Make it more a place with a good environment, better environment. But what matters most is that today is the day. It's a day that wherein you will see a lot of movement way keep on moving on. Some will fail, some will succeed. No matter most, every day we keep moving. Moving gives you high probability of surviving and being successful. So, to our barangay officials, may mga daycare center o graduation. O ito, San Pedro lang, graduation daycare center. Kasi minsan yung graduation ng daycare center nasa kalsada lang eh. May balbantaan, hindi magiging maliwalas. Better than ito, magamit din ang komunidad. At dito na sila magkanda na United Nations Day. Hindi niyo pwedeng kalimutan yung United Nations Day. Kasi kung araw, wala akong handa. But the world will celebrate my birthday because it's United Nations Day. So, maraming cultural, extracurricular, productive activities that this piece of area that we utilize by the community, by the barangay, or our surrounding barangays in the district. So, rest assured that soon, yawan Diyos, ito ay sinabi ni Maylene, doon sa mga makabagong nating library like this one, we will engage into technology para maging palatable, para mas exciting, creates curiosity. May sabi kasi nila, ako may narinig ako politiko. Wala naman yung library, wala naman kung ganyan. My question is that true? Is it valuable to have a public library? I do believe so. Yung mga ilang individual na hindi naniwala sa ganito, hindi natin alam anong layunin nila sa paglilingkod sa bayan. But I believe in you. I believe that you will do service to our people. That's why, ito ay sinabi ni Maylene. Few days ago, I signed it into law that this building is the home of Manila City Library. Hindi na kayo squatter. For our visitors, just for your consumption. Eh wala po silang sariling opisina. Marami silang library. Pero nakikimpisan lang sila. Now at least, there is homing from here, duplicate, increment, in unison, in synchrony of all our public library in the city. I'm happy and excited and we'll build it better. We'll make it more pleasant to the working environment of our employees who's going to do administrative obligation or responsibility here in this building. So, may bahay na kayo. At darating pa mga bagong library, bagong gamit. At ang library ngayon, hindi na lang pambata. Shout out pati sa mga lolo-lola. We have implemented that role during my first term in our place in Lower City. That seniors can now go at Tumambay, read some reading materials and so on and so on. And we will now relieve it of that policy. Dapat pinipili pagdating sa bahay ng mga. Those who are seeking knowledge, and trying to make more valuable of their time should be welcome in our public library owned and run by the city of Manila. So sa inyong lahat na nandito, maraming salamat to Camille and all others. Okay, kung wala ng pag-asa, basta tayo, pag nagpuli kayo, lilingunin kayo ng inyong tamalang kursuan ng helping to our barangay officials. I cannot do this alone. There's so many things on the plate. But with your help and being together, we can make our city great again. So mag-ingat kayo, magpalagawa kayo ng buong may kapal. Maraming salamat. Congratulations to the new home of Manila